Hello and welcome to today's video. I have a very special announcement and surprise for you. So for those of you who have been following me for the past couple of years, I've been obviously growing this YouTube channel when we've now surpassed the 6,000 subscriber mark. So thank you to you. And also over the past couple of years, I've been diving deep into all things YouTube SEO. So learning all the different tactics, hacks, and strategies to grow views, subscribers, and ultimately monetization on YouTube. And what a lot of you don't know is that I've also helped a lot of people behind the scenes grow their own content and channels on YouTube. And what I've done is taken all of my learnings and all of my templates and hacks and resources and put them together into a brand new Udemy course that is available now with a special surprise for those of you that are watching this right now. Within the first 5 days of this video being posted, you will get 100% free access to the course. No catch. That's it. Just a way of giving back and to thank you for helping us to reach the 6,000 subscriber mark on this YouTube channel. So if you're interested in learning these very valuable skills of YouTube SEO, then the 100% free coupon code will be in the description section and comment section below. So you can find it there. And if you are watching this video after the 5-day mark, I will be providing a discount code that you can only find here. That will be in the description section as well as the comment section. I'll just update it after the 5-day mark so you can still get a very big discount on this course to make it as affordable and easy as possible. And of course, if you have any questions or anything else you need, let me know in the comments below. And for those of you who are kind of want to learn a little bit more about what the heck YouTube SEO is, how is it valuable, all of this kind of thing, you can learn more on the Udemy course landing page. And I'm also going to go ahead and play the promo video here, which goes into a little bit more detail about what you're going to get inside the course. So let's go ahead and roll the clip. Hello and welcome to the YouTube SEO Secrets course. My name is Sumner. I'm not only a YouTube SEO and marketing consultant, but I also generate thousands of dollars in revenue every month from my very own YouTube channels using the power of YouTube SEO, and I'm here to help you do the exact same. By the end of this course, you will become a YouTube SEO master and learn the #1 proven step-by-step process to gaining more views and subscribers every single month. In this course, you're going to gain 5 student-exclusive template downloads, the #1 free tool to find the best keywords to rank, a secret YouTube link hack to instantly gain more subscribers, proven YouTube title and description formulas to rank #1 on YouTube, a simple video tweak to keep your audience from leaving you, 5 free and easy ways for even more YouTube traffic, and so much more. Be sure to read through some of the raving student reviews for yourself and feel free to preview some of the free content that I've provided to see if this course is right for you. And remember, if this course does not deliver results, Udemy will refund your entire purchase amount within 30 days. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. I look forward to sharing my secrets with you inside, so enroll now.